The CM Contextual Product Recommendations plugin displays recommended products and reviews to your WordPress users based on content from your pages or posts. In this video, we will use the plugin to add recommended cat toy products to a website. Product management is done from WordPress admin, CM Product Recommendations, Products, or Add New. On the management screen, you can easily review each product and add them as well. To use the plugin, you first create a list of products. In this free version, each has 3 parts: name, which will be searched for in the content; URL, where users will be directed to when clicking on the product name or icon; and image, which will be displayed on the widget. Under General Settings, you can configure the overall plugin behavior. Choose which post types will have the widget, post or pages. Skip single and index pages. Only highlight the first time the product is mentioned. This affects the highlighting and not the widget. Skip the tag script. Differentiate letter case. For instance, catnip with a capital C will be different than without it. Enable to highlight items across the content. If this setting is off, products will appear on the widget but won't be highlighted. Performance and debug are useful settings if you are having technical issues. Select this option if you wish to only highlight items on main query, and use internal caching mechanisms. Let's check the widget display settings. Uses the item title as the HTML link title parameter. Force the browser to open a new tab when clicking the link. Show or hide product names. See the complete list of differences between the free and pro version. To learn more about this product and the differences between the free and pro version, visit cminds.com.